Welcome to our channel Healthy Nature. Let us know how to increase immunity in our children. Until vaccine arrives for kids or the pandemic goes, it's the immune system's responsibility to keep us protected against pandemic. So take extra care to enhance immunity, wash hands regularly, wear mask and maintain social distance. One of the best way to build immunity in kids should start at the beginning of their life. Breastfeeding your babies develops a strong immune system. It is natural for any child to feel stressed, anxious, apprehensive and get worried about unnatural circumstances like pandemics similar to us. Reduce the screen time to your kids, and as a parent spend as much as time possible with kids to reduce anxiety. Stay calm and listen to their concern. Low protein diet can cause low immunity in children. Unhealthy food like junk food and not enough exercise, sleep and certain medication can also lead to low immunity in children. Make sure that your child's meal should be freshly prepared and with the balance of carbohydrates and proteins and loaded with seasonal vegetables. Adding of fresh ginger, garlic and turmeric can increase your child's immunity, and avoid any product that has added sugar more than 20%. It decreases your child's immunity. Now let us know some immunity boosting foods for our kids. I can't say that you can totally shield your kids from getting sick, but you can build up your children's immune system with high nutritious foods. Some of the nutritious foods are almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and manganese. These both enhance the natural killer cell activity. And berries are full of antioxidants. These help your body to fight oxidative stress caused by free radicals. So you can give your kids strawberries, raspberries and blueberries. And next one is yogurt. Probiotics in yogurt stimulate immune system. Eggs are one of the only foods that with naturally occurring vitamin D. One research has shown that when a person is low in vitamin D, they are more susceptible to illness. So give egg to your kids and make them exposed to sunlight. Next one is spinach. Spinach is full of many of the vitamins and minerals that boost immune system. It has vitamins A, E, C and K and folate, manganese, zinc, selenium and iron. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta carotene. Studies shows that beta carotene increase the number of white blood cells and activity of killer cells. And sweet potatoes are good source of vitamin C. You can give your kids a variety of seeds such as pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and flax seeds to boost their immune system. By eating a variety of seeds, they will get vitamin E, zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Another one is walnuts. Walnuts have omega-3 fatty acids. A study found that omega-3 fatty acids cut the number of respiratory infections in kids. If kids are not eating walnuts directly, you can easily sprinkle walnuts powder into their snack and give your kids more seasonal fruits and vegetables. Children are more vulnerable to infections and health issues, so take extra care. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel Healthy Nature.